Hello, little learners. It's me, Miss Jessica. Hi,
Miss Jessica.
Today, we're going to be playing a guessing game.
Whoa!
We're going to be playing a guessing game with animals.
Yay!
Are you ready to play? Let's go.
Little learners, can you guess what animal this is? It has spots all over its body. It's an herbivore and eats plants. And it has a really long neck. Any guesses? Yes, that's right, a giraffe. Giraffe. One giraffe.
Let's guess another one. This animal has stripes. Its stripes are black and white. This animal is very similar to a horse. What animal is this? Yes, a zebra. Look at those stripes.
Zebra. One, two zebras.
I wonder what animal is next. This animal has lots of fur because it lives where it is cold. Its skin is black, but its fur is white. This animal is a carnivore and eats meat. This animal is a polar bear. Wow, what a big bear!
Polar bear. One, two, three polar bears.
Here's the next one. It has ivory tusks and a long trunk. Its ears are really big. And it's one of the largest land animals in the world. Any guesses? An elephant! predator. It's a carnivore that eats meat. This animal has a mane full of fur. It also has a mighty roar. This animal is the king of the jungle, a lion.
Lion. One, two, three, four, five. 5 lions.
That was a really fun game. I'm so glad you played. If you would like to learn more about animals, you can always go to your public library and check out books like this one on animals. This is a book about horses, but the library has so many books about all sorts of different animals. So make sure you ask a parent or adult to take you to the library so you can learn more. If you had fun playing the game with me today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you next time, little learners. Bye-bye.